Hello, my name is Masada and I am a manufacturing engineer.
Hi, my name is Smita Jain and I'm an industrial engineer.
Hi, my name is Michael Amayfile and I am a quality engineer.
Currently, I work at a manufacturer called SNC Electric Company, where I am a manufacturing engineer. Essentially, I work with other engineering teams to talk about their designs and then help them put together processes that make the work easy and safe for everybody.
I work at MasterCard Center for Inclusive Growth, as you can see here, where I think about how we can help nonprofits and governments use data to make better decisions, which means we're giving money to organizations working to make the world a better place.
I work for ITW Appliance Components. Day-to-day work is I basically ensure that the products that we make meet the customer or our own internal requirements.
I decided to become an engineer in high school when I met my physics teacher who really instilled a love of roller coaster design in me. I really wanted to learn about the engineering design process and how engineers came together to make the really fun amusement park rides that we all love and enjoy.
I decided to be an engineer because I've always loved math and wanted to find real world applications of it. And industrial engineering was the perfect combination of math and business.
I decided to become a quality engineer because I really enjoy solving problems. I really enjoy working with the manufacturing and the design teams to bring the highest quality to that product.
The best part of solving manufacturing problems is how diverse problems are on a day-to-day basis. Things are never the same and you'll never be bored, and you get to put your creative problem-solving skills to the test.
The best part of solving industrial engineering problems is that they often feel like puzzles or riddles because you have to understand a system and its parts to figure out where the issue is. And solving them can make a real change in the world.
The best part of being a quality engineer is working with different teams throughout my facility to identify problems, solve problems, and to make sure that those problems don't happen again.
Something that many people might not think of that you would need to be successful in my role is an eye for aesthetics. I take a lot of pictures and videos for my role, and I need to make sure those pictures are very clear and easy to interpret.
To succeed in my job, I have to be good at doing math, thinking about how that math and data apply to the real world, and be good at building relationships with people.
You gotta be a team player, you gotta be able to work well with others. Definitely good organization skills.
My favorite part of the design process is prototyping. As much as I love coming up with ideas, the real test doesn't come until you start putting things together.
My favorite part of the design process is empathizing because it's so important to understand who you're building for, what their needs are, and how to make the best product for them. It's also the most human-centered part of the design process.
My favorite part about the design process is testing. So testing the products once the first prototypes are out to understand if there are any problems, if they don't meet specifications. I think that is my favorite part about the design process.